Hello my lovelies, how are we all doing today? Well, this is a Canadian 5 cents, 1934, year I was born. And there you go. Right, so first of all we're going to punch a hole in it. It's a very small coin. It's a tiddler. So I'm going to use my smallest punch. And we'll go over to the ever gorgeous, sexy Bit Bertha. Didn't use you, did I, the other day? You was right upset about it. I didn't use her the other day. I was making a Turkish coin and she was right annoyed. She even texted me. She said, I'm not happy about this at all. But you're back. And I love you. Even though I am going to get rid of you sometime this year. It's too bloody big, you know. So if everybody's looking for a 20-ton hydraulic press, you can come and get this one. You can have it for nothing. Right, I just want it gone. But not until I get my new one. Which probably won't be until, I don't know, September, October. Right, we just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Free from anything. That ain't too bad. Right. So, are we going to use this diamond block? I suppose we'd better. Otherwise you upset people. And where's my ball bearing? Is there a ball bearing in the house? Yes, there is. A small coin, this one. I'm going to sneeze again. Excuse me. Where's the other one? Right. Oh. I can feel it, it's coming. Right, let's heat it up. Show it a bit of warmth and affection. And love and all that stuff. Where's Old Faithful? Be a good idea to turn the gas on when I found it, wouldn't it? There you go. There he is. This might not fit over my ring stretcher straight away. I usually have a bit of trouble with these sort of small coins. Will this fit over the one and only? Well, first of all, it'd be a good idea to fold it, wouldn't it, a bit more? Getting ahead of myself. Right, that fits in there just right. So we'll go over. It's big red again. Get rid of that handle. That went a bit sad on me. Right, let's try it again. Yeah, it's better. Right, what we got. Now I'll just clean that edge up a bit more. Bit more. All right. Will this fit over spike now? Probably not. No. So I then have to put this ouch, that hurt. Yeah, it still doesn't fit. Oh, wait a minute. If I can just get it to start. God, that really hurt. I smashed my thumb in my hammer. Bloody hell. Any nurses watching this? I need some help. Come on. Oh yeah, come on baby, just start. Yes. Come on baby, get down there. It doesn't hurt to do the beginning because you're only doing the very, very edge. Okay. Right, let's show this a bit more love again. Bloody hell. Oh yeah, look at that. Doctor, doctor, please. Ouch, that really does hurt. I won't say that anymore. There he is. There's Old Faithful. Be a sad place if it was all the same, wouldn't it? Unless everybody was like me, of course. Ah dear. I better get some stick for that off the comments. Right. Back to Spike, there it is. Spike is a ring stretcher. It's getting really hard. I don't think I'm going to go too much more with this, because it's quite... No, I'm not going to push me luck. This is for a small-fingered lady, or man, you know. Some guys out there have small fingers. Mine are like bananas, but there you go. Right. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. God, my thumb's really killing me. Ouch, ouch, and more ouch. Right. So now we want to go across to the bottom end of Spike. Needs a reduction dice, and you just want to find one. Oh, that's pretty good. Where's Luby Lou? Luby Lou, where are you? There she is. A little bit of Luby Lou in there. Yep, that's just right. Oh, perfect. I nearly went a bit further because it had so much more left on it. Right, there's quite a big lip in this one, believe it or not. Like a very big lip. So we'll rip that out. Have any of you guys been to Finland? Probably not. It's not a small place people come to. Well, it is. A lot of cruise ships come in. And it's the happiest country in the world, believe it or not. For many years, every year it seems to. And it is pretty laid back, you know. People have got so much space. There's only 5.4 million people live in the country. It's twice the size of the UK. I mean, it's, yeah, I'd never live anywhere else. Right, let's get up Kate. Where's she gone? Kate? You been out again? There she is. Clean it up. Let's just get the fire scale off, and that cleans it up a bit. Right, how's it looking? (1934). My birth year. Yeah, it's pretty, eh? So any Canadians out there looking for a nice ring? Guess what? Yeah, I've got one. I've got one or two Canadian coins, believe it or not. I can't remember where I got them from now. Right. Bit of that and a bit of that. Felt John is inserted. Ouch. More than ouch. Ouch, ouch. Oh, Jesus wept. Right. You got any questions or anything you want to know about me, or what I do, or what I don't do? Or anything about the glass I make, or, you know? I answer all my questions. Even the odd sad one. I got a really sad one a few days ago. I couldn't believe this woman. How nasty some people can be. I think I mentioned it in one of my other videos. I'm still shocked about it. It wasn't about me, you know, but it's just a sad individual. Her name was probably Karen. Right. There you go. My girlfriend will clean this up even more. Just look at my hands, it's covered in oil and crap. What size did we get in the end? It's a small one though. This is a size 5.5. I can make this bigger, but I can't take it down to 10 or 9. You know, I could probably get it down to a 7, 7.5, maybe even 8. Probably not an 8, but 7, 7.5. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. I really do appreciate it. I love you all. It nearly fits this finger perfectly. I hope you all have a great day, and show somebody some love, you know. Take it easy. Tubby bye bye. See you tomorrow.